Animal facts. Pigs. Pigs are stout, barrel-shaped mammals that are known for their big appetites. Some kind of pigs are wild, while others are domestic, raised by humans. Farmers raise domestic pigs for their meat, which is called pork, and their fat, which is called lard. The skin of pigs is made into leather. Their stiff hair is used for brush bristles. Bear. Bears are large, powerful mammals related to dogs and raccoons. The biggest bears are the world's largest animals that live on land and eat meat. There are several species or types of bears. There are polar bears, the brown bear, the black bear, the Asiatic black bear, the sun bear, the speckled bear, and the sloth bear. The brown bear is commonly called the grizzly bear in North America. Turtle. A turtle is a reptile that has a shell covering its body. Turtles are known for moving very slowly, and there are more than 350 species or types of turtle. Turtles are found in most parts of the world. Most live in freshwater ponds, lakes, or rivers. Others live in the ocean or on land. Some turtles live in forests or even in the desert. Land turtles are often called tortoises. Wolf. Wolves are members of the dog family. They are known for their intelligence and courage. Wolves are also noted for traveling very long distances. North American Indians named their most powerful warriors after wolves.